Hello, good evening. Today we are going to do a hard wiring for my Nissan X Trail 2016 model diesel. I am using a Nextbase Dashcam, and I bought one of these from Amazon. This is also made by Nextbase. This I bought from for £20, and I am using the Dashcam that was previously used in my Land Rover Discovery. So now I am using it in my X Trail. So let's move on. So in the hardwiring kit, they provided a long cable. As you can see, this is very long, and it has two ports in here. This is the negative grounding, and this one goes to the fuse box. Actually, they provided two adapters, one normal fuse adapter and the other one is mini, but for Nissan we need actually a micro adapter. And also they provided two fuses. This is a normal fuse, bigger one, and a mini one, but we need a micro. So I bought one from Amazon for £6. So I bought this from Amazon. This has a micro fuse. Two of the micro fuses are there, and they have some few extra fuses as well. So I'm using this one instead of the provided one because we need that one. So just jump into the work. So to remove if you search for the fuse box for Nissan the fuse box is situated underneath here, underneath the glow box. So you need to remove the glow box. To remove that, there's this link here. I'm not sure whether you can see this one. In here you need to remove that. It is not a hard job. See, it's already removed, and you can take the glow box out. You need both hands to take it off. So that's it. I took it off. Actually the glow box, this one, it's attached to both these sides. If you pull out, it will come out. So I'm using in here, if you can see the fuses, I'm using this fuse here. This is for the heated seats. I'm using that one for the purpose of the dash cam. That will only operate when the ignition is on. And also if you considering the wiring, you can see the holes here this side, and I will take this part out. This is also the side part. It is very easy to take off. You can just you need both hands. This is it. I took the piece off. It is very easy. You can see this is just pressed into that these holes where in here and here these are attached to this hole. So if you pull it out, it will come out, and you can easily do the wiring from here, and you can wire through this side. I'm not taking this piece off. I'm just doing from through here, and I'm doing from through here and there. So let's take the fuse out. So this is the difference between a micro fuse and the mini one. Nextbase provided the mini one, but in the X Trail we are using the blue one. So you can see this is very tiny. So we need to use the micro fuse adapter for the use. Now you can see I took it off, and we are using this adapter I bought from Amazon. So here I put two fuses. Actually I'm not sure whether it is only one fuse needed or two fuses. Just in case I have two fuses, so I just put two fuses. Now I'm going to attach this in here. That's in. Okay, now this is the part it goes to the supply. Now this bit of the hard wiring kit, it will attach to this rod. Now I attached that one, and this one is the ground. We can use any of these screws in here for that use. So I used that screw in there for the ground, and I attached that thing, and everything is right. Now we have to pass this wire through here to there. But before that, I'm just want to check the dash cam, it's working. So you can see the battery is charging, that means it is working. Just turn on the ignition, so it's working. I mean, the wiring is all right. So now I'm going to disconnect, and I'm going to pass the wiring. So here it is. I put the dash cam on the left side of this thing because it is I mean, in the middle actually. Then I put the wiring in here, and I'm taking through here. It is very easy to pass through here, and see, enter here. Now I'm going to take in between this here and in between the beading down there. That's it. I finished wiring. It is, take only 2-3 minutes. That's it. I put it underneath, and you can see it is passing through where there. It's passing through there, and these are the remaining cables. So I'm going to tie it here and tidy up there. So that's all done. I attached that thing, and I put it there and just secured there with an insulation tape. Now I'm going to close it back. So now everything is finished. All things I put back. Let's see. It's turning on and it's working. So you can see, only a little bit wire is there. Otherwise everything is hidden. That is also need to be attached with a double side. Then it will be more secure and more neat. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you have any doubts, please comment and I will answer it. Thank you so much. Bye.